Hi, I'm Ainhoa Murillo. I worked in team number 32 creating a wildfire and emission explorer. In my experience, this project was very enriching and very fruitful, and it was very interesting to be working on a different field.
We had wonderful supervisions and weekly meeting with our mentors, and it was the most amazing summer.
Thanks to this experience, I could improve my skills.
So I had a lot of fun working these past few months on this project.
I felt like my coding got to a whole new level.
ESoC was for me a possibility to broaden my skills, but also my knowledge on a different topic than what I'm used to work in my everyday job.